party meeting in Karnataka. All the parliament members, legislators, MLCs, all of us met today. The entire legislative party decided we wholeheartedly stand by the leadership of Mr. Siddaramaiah. At any point of time, he is our leader, he will be our leader. So we condemn the decision taken by the governor. We have already appealed to the court of law. We have confidence that we will get justice. Injustice will not be flown from the seat of justice. We know that the court will respect our sentiments. Mr. Siddaramaiah has not done any mistake in it. It is only a political which has been going on. We have been fighting on the streets. We have been fighting in the assembly. We will fight throughout this one. We all are united. And Mr. Deshpande, our senior leader, has proposed condemning the decision of the Honorable Excellency Governor, and Mr. Tanveer Sait has seconded it. And we all stand united, and we have shown our solidarity behind our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah. We have given a message to the Honorable Excellency Governor to withdraw whatever the permission he has given. It is a request, it is a demand. We have appealed to the court. ನಾವು ಕಾನೂನು ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮುಖಭಂಗ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಈಗ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಾನೂನಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.